Hi, I'm Mr. Weather, here with Mr. Relevant. Let's discuss Earth science news and events that occurred during the past month of June. This is the monthly What's What.
On October 11th, 1984, geologist Kathryn D Sullivan became the first U.S. woman to go on a spacewalk. She spent 3 hours outside of the Challenger shuttle in Earth's orbit. This past month, she set another record. She became the first woman and the 8th person to go to the deepest place on the Earth's surface, the Mariana Trench. During her team's dive, they measured parameters like water temperature and salinity, mapped the ocean floor, and collected samples of sediments and organisms. Only 3 other dives have reached the bottom of the Mariana Trench.
Many were left worried and nervous as Saharan dust made headlines. The Saharan dust, referred to as the Saharan air layer, is a mass of very dry, dusty air that forms over the Sahara Desert during the late spring, summer, and early fall, and moves over the tropical North Atlantic every 3 to 5 days. The Saharan air layer is usually between 2 to 2.5 miles thick, with the base starting about 1 mile above the surface. This year, the dust that moved throughout the southern US was unusually higher, which led to panic. The dust can cause health issues for those prone to allergies or respiratory illness, such as COVID-19. The best way to deal during the time the dust moves in is to stay inside and limit your exposure. Otherwise, the dust is known to prevent the development of tropical storms, bring beautiful sunsets, and contribute to fertilizing soils in the Amazon and building beaches in the Caribbean.
Just 11 light-years away, a new pair of super-Earths in the habitable zone have been discovered by astronomers. Super-Earths are planets that are higher in mass than Earth but less than ice giants like Uranus and Neptune. The 2 planets being in the habitable zone of their nearby star means there could be liquid water on their surfaces. They could also be rocky planets like Earth and Mars. Gliese 887, the nearby star, is less active than other red dwarfs, so it is possible the atmosphere on Gliese 887b and 887c could be intact, thicker than Earth's, and host life. It is a fascinating discovery. But the downside, 11 light years, with the technology we have today, would take roughly 1,000 years before we reached either planet.
Thank you for watching. Catch the monthly What's What every first Wednesday of each month. Please subscribe to Mr. Weather's World on YouTube for new videos every Mr. Weather Wednesday.